everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I just have a quick video for you. It's actually a rolling Project 5 pan for skincare. And the reason I decided to do this is because I've got some skincare products that I just can't seem to remember to use on a regular basis. And so I figure if I throw them into a rolling project pan or any kind of project, then I might actually remember to use them. So I'm not including any of my normal skincare items because I use those and I don't need the motivation to remember to use them. So these are just 5 items that are kind of random that I want to get use out of. I've marked most of them. A couple of them I'm waiting for them to settle before I mark them. This is the first one. I'm not sure how to say this brand, Osea. It's the Atmospheric Protection Cream. It's 60 milliliters. I've marked it right here. And I got this in a FabFitFun box quite a while ago. It's 100% natural, lightweight daily moisturizer. I mean, it sounds really nice. I prefer something with SPF in it, so I tend not to use this. So I want to get some use out of it. It's a natural product. It's not going to last forever, so that's where I am now. The next one that I've got here is by the brand Argan Natural, and it's Argan Shea Face Oil. Looks like this. The reason I want to put this into a project, I have been using this a little bit, but the expiry on it is only 6 months, and I've definitely had it for more than 6 months. So I marked it. I'm actually right basically at the top of where the label is. So I've marked it there. That's how much I've used. Want to get some use out of it. It sounds like a pretty cool brand. This is the first thing I've tried by them, but it says paraben free. And it's tested on people, not animals. So I thought that was kind of a cool little thing to have on the back of the bottle there. So that's the second item. The third item is by the company Oro Gold. It looks like this. It's a very expensive kind of a luxury skincare brand. I got a bunch of this stuff from my mom. It's not anything that I could afford on my own. I think this is like $398 or something. It's absolutely outrageous. So this is the Oro Gold 24 Karat Dark Circle Eye Solution. Looks like that, really nice packaging. There's 1 ounce of product in here, and I was actually able to pull this piece out so that you can see the product itself. And I marked it here. I dropped it so it kind of is splashed on the edges, but I think that that's about where I am. Once it settles out. So it's nice, but I've had it for a long time and I just want to remember to use it. I'm really good at using an eye cream at night, but I have trouble remembering to use it during the day. So I want to try to get some use out of that one. Next product here is another one by Oro Gold Cosmetics. Looks like this. It's the 24 karat foot cream. 140 milliliters. And again, I've just had this for too long. When I hold it up to the light, it looks like I'm about here. But I had it lying down, so I'm gonna actually wait to mark it to see when it settles so that it'll be more accurate. But same thing, I've just had it in my collection for too long, and foot cream is one that I often have trouble remembering to use. It's one of those things, you know, I use it at nighttime, and if I just fall asleep, I forget about it. So that's why it's in this. And then the last one that I have is actually the reason that I wanted to do this rolling project pan, and that's because I got this from The Ordinary, and I just ordered it, I don't know, like less than a month ago. It's their glycolic acid 7% toning solution. It's a pretty big bottle. There's 240 milliliters in here, and I've marked it right here, which is kind of hard to see, but that's where it is. I've used it quite a bit, but the reason I wanted to do this rolling project pan for skincare is because I cannot seem to remember to use a toner. I use it at night before I wash my face and cleanse my face, and then I'll put on my moisturizer, and I forget to use the toner in between. Like, I'll use it like twice a week and I forget all the rest of the time. So by putting it in a project, I'm hoping that I'll actually remember and see some progress on this, because I really like it, but I haven't used it enough to know for sure my opinion on it, and I just want to kind of give myself some incentive to actually use the item. So those are my 5 products. Again, I know skincare, not that exciting, but I thought by having a separate project for skincare is kind of nice, because I try to keep the skincare items out of my makeup project pans, just because, you know, people don't often enjoy seeing the skincare items in project pans that are makeup or supposed to be more makeup related. So separate one for skincare. I hope you guys all enjoy it, and I hope you'll follow along with my updates. I'll probably update once per month. I usually do that with most of my projects. So I hope you guys are all having a really good day. Bye.